The third product on this list is the KINGCAMP Moon Camping Chair. Imagine yourself admiring the beauty of the jungle while relaxing in the comfort of your plush seat. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? If getting as much fresh air as possible is your goal, you'll need a dependable foldable chair like the KINGCAMP Moon Camping Chair to have a more memorable experience. This oversized saucer camping chair is 33.5 inches wide, large enough for a taller adult, wiggly fidgety teenagers to tuck their legs up, a warm pet nest, or even a dorm room chair for students. Its padded and moon saucer design provides all-day comfort and relaxation. Thanks to its heavy-duty steel frame, this chair is built to last. It also has Oxford fabric, which wicks away moisture. This saucer chair weighs 10.2 pounds but can support up to 300 pounds. It also combines a lounge chair's comfort with a folding chair's portability. Because there are no armrests, you can sit up straight or lie back in any direction. But that's not all. This saucer chair also has a built-in side pocket that can double as a bottle holder, which is great for you when you don't want to spill your drink while sitting around the fire. There's even a larger pocket on the back of the chair if you want to store something else there. A carry bag with a backpack strap is also included for easy transport and storage. This padded folding chair folds up in seconds, allowing you to curl up and watch your favorite TV show or read under a tree for some outdoor leisure time. Its pros are: its large back pocket makes it available for storing magazines, accessories, and personal items. It has a foldable steel frame and heavy-duty polyester fabric construction. And it has an anti-skid design that makes the Moon Chair more stable and guarantees the safety of the user. However, it sits low to the ground, which can make getting up a little more difficult. If you enjoy spending time outside, the KINGCAMP Moon Saucer Camping Leisure Chair is a must-have. It is ideal for use in the backyard, fishing, tailgates, sporting events, lawn, outdoor, and indoor activities.